All right, this is question number 8 on the 2016 practice exam. We have g of x, we're given as x squared plus bx, where b is a constant, and in fact, that's what we're going to try and find is the value of b. Now we're told that the line tangent to the graph at x equal to -1 is parallel to the line containing these 2 points, so passing through those 2 points. So that means the slope of that tangent line is equal to the slope of the line between those 2 points. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the slope between those 2 points. That's going to be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and we're going to get 6/3 or 2. So the slope of my tangent line is 2. Well, the derivative of a function gives us an equation for the slope of the line at any point. So I'm going to find g prime x. So that becomes 2x plus b. Well, if we evaluate that at -1 from here, that is 2 times -1 plus b, and that actually has to equal 2. It equals the slope of the line between those 2 points. So now I get -2 plus b equals 2, and if we move that over, we're going to get b equals 4. So not too bad on that one.